him on it, might do it real and settle it down.
Mainly you're gonna have to go by look, right?
Yeah.
But we'd rather be ready than not.
But yeah, I'll run it right to the
He's coming by again.
He's coming in next.
How many laps was that? That was 1,000. So we're 20, that's all we got.
Don't bother backing it up if you overshoot it. Just leave it. Tire good? Tire good? Yeah.
Flying around, we can add, we can stiffen it up next spin, I think. Once we got a fresh rubber next spin.
Turn the key on for us. So he can just hit it and go.
I don't think we can until fuel's done.
The brake lever is way out also.
Somebody throw this back on the weight roller.
Yeah, Gene likes it that way.
Nice job, man.
Yeah, that was good.
Nice work, dude.
I couldn't even get the brake, like I could barely hit the brake lever.
That's what I said. Gene loves it like
Yeah,
that way. I'm like,
I did.
I'm barely on my tippy of the fingers.
My hand kept getting